Chest anatomy in men. The key to strength and protection. Ever wondered what's beneath the surface of a well-defined male chest? Today we're diving into the chest anatomy, how it supports movement, strength, and protects vital organs. Let's break it down. 1. Overview of the chest anatomy. The male chest is a complex structure made up of three main components: the pectoralis muscles, the rib cage, and the sternum. 2. Muscles of the chest. Let's start with the pectoralis major. This large, fan-shaped muscle is responsible for movements like pushing, lifting, and even the iconic bench press. Beneath it is the pectoralis minor, a smaller muscle that plays a key role in stabilizing your shoulder and aiding arm movement. 3. Bones and their function. The rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs, which form a protective shield around your heart and lungs. These ribs are essential for breathing and protecting vital organs. At the center, the sternum. 4. The importance of chest anatomy. A strong chest isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. A well-developed pectoralis major enhances your upper body strength, while the rib cage and sternum protect your heart and lungs, essential for survival. 5. Tips for a healthy chest. Want to keep your chest in top shape? Focus on compound exercises like push-ups, bench presses, and dumbbell flies to engage the pectoralis muscles. Don't forget posture. Stand tall to reduce strain, stretch regularly to improve flexibility, and reduce the risk of injuries. The male chest is more than just muscle. It's a powerful combination of strength and protection. Want to know more about your body? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your questions or what you want to learn next.